Question number one. Small finance banks will be required to list within 3 years of reaching a net worth of. Correct answer is option 2, Rs 500 crore. Question number 2. Poshan Abhiyan was launched by the Prime Minister on International Women's Day 8 March from Janju in Rajasthan in the year. Correct answer is option 5, 2018. Question number 3. Who has been regularly conducting the consumer confidence survey? Correct answer is option 2, Reserve Bank of India. Question number 4. Who has been regularly conducting the inflation acceptation survey of households? Correct answer is option 2, Reserve Bank of India. Question number 5. The Indo-Nepal Remittance Facility scheme was launched by the Reserve Bank of India in. Correct answer is option 2, May 2008. Question number 6. What investment report is published by? Correct answer is option 2. Question number 7. What is the tagline of Ujjivan Small Finance Bank? Correct answer is option A, विश्वास से विकास तक. Question number 8. What does A stand for in WMA in banking? Correct answer is option 3, advance. Question number 9. Mudra Bank is a wholly owned subsidiary of which of the following? Correct answer is option 3. Question number 10. The integrated ombudsman scheme was introduced in which year? Correct answer is option 4, 2021. Question number 11. 8. Present all scheduled commercial banks are required to meet a target of bank credit A and B C of their adjusted net. Correct answer is option 2, 40%. Question number 12. Allahabad Bank is merged with which bank? Correct answer is option 3, Indian Bank. Question number 13. In which year did the central bank introduce no frill accounts in India? Correct answer is option 1, 2005. Question number 14. How much overdraft facility is provided in Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana? Correct answer is option 5, none of these, but its correct answer is 5,000. Question number 15. Who appoints the integrated ombudsman officers? Correct answer is option 3, RBI. Question number 16. What is the minimum limit of NEFT? Correct answer is option 4, no limit. Question number 17. Who has assumed charge as the Chief Executive Officer CEO of Unique Identification Authority of India, UIDAI? Correct answer is option 2, Bhuvnesh Kumar. Question number 18. Who did Bhuvnesh Kumar replace as the CEO of UIDAI? Correct answer is option 1, Amit Agrawal. Question number 19. What is Bhuvnesh Kumar cadre in the Indian Administrative Service IAS? Correct answer is option 1, Uttar Pradesh. Question number 20. What batch does Bhuvneshwar Kumar belong to in the Indian Administrative Service IAS? Correct answer is option 2, in 1995 batch. Question number 21. Who has assumed charge as the Chief Executive Officer CEO of Unique Identification Authority of India UIDAI? Correct answer is option 2, Bhuvnesh Kumar. Question number 22. Who did Bhuvnesh Kumar replace as the CEO of UIDAI? Correct answer is option 1, Amit Agrawal. Question number 25. Who has assumed command of the Indian Air Force Western Air Command? Correct answer is option 2, Air Marshal Jitendra Mishra. Question number 26. Who did Air Marshal Jitendra Mishra succeed as the Chief of Western Air Command? Correct answer is option 3, Air Marshal Pankaj Mohan Sinha. Question number 27. How many years of service did Air Marshal Pankaj Mohan Sinha complete before retiring? Correct answer is option 3, more than 39 years. Question number 28. When did Air Marshal Jitendra Mishra assume command of Western Air Command? Correct answer is option 2, January 1, 2025. Question number 29. Who has been appointed as the new Secretary General of the Associated Chambers of Commerce and Industry of India? Correct answer is option 2, Manish Singhal. Question number 30. What was Manish Singhal's previous role before becoming the Secretary General of Associated Chamber of Commerce and Authority of India? Correct answer is option 2, Deputy Secretary General of FICCI. Question number 31. Who did Manish Singhal succeed as the Secretary General of ASSOCHAM? Correct answer is option 2, Deepak Sood. Question number 32. How many years of experience does Manish Singhal have in Chamber and Corporate India? Correct answer is option 4, over 35 years. Question number 33. What is the total budget allocated for the continuation of Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana and restricted weather based crop insurance scheme till 2025-2026? Correct answer is option 2, 69515.71 crore. Question number 34. What is the main objective of continuing Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana and restricted weather based crop insurance scheme? Correct answer is option 2, to provide risk coverage to farmers against natural calamities. Question number 35. Who approved the continuation of Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana and restricted weather based crop insurance scheme? Correct answer is option 3, Union Cabinet. Question number 36. Till when has the Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana and restricted weather based crop insurance scheme been continued? Correct answer is option 3, 2025-2026. Question number 37. What is the name of the joint military exercise between India and Nepal? Correct answer is option 1, Surya Kiran. Question number 39. Which country has launched its first Type 076 amphibious assault ship? Correct answer is option 2, China. Question number 39. What is the name of mission launched by the Indian government to enhance the self-sufficiency and water security of Indian cities? Correct answer is option 1, Amrit 2.0. Question number 40. Which organization has released a report highlighting the importance of protecting human rights to end AIDS by 2030? Correct answer is option 1. Question number 41. What is the name of exercise conducted by the Indian and Sri Lankan navies? Correct answer is option 1, Silinex. Question number 42. Which state has launched a new cattle insurance scheme? Correct answer is option 1, Kerala. Question number 43. What is the name of the agreement signed between India and the International Solar Alliance? Correct answer is option 5, Global Solar Alliance. Question number 44. Which country has re-elected India to the UN Peacebuilding Commission for 2025-2026 term? Correct answer is option 1, United States. Question number 45. What is the name of the Indian ship that conducted a survey in Mauritius? Correct answer is option 1, INS Sarvikshak. Question number 46. Which organization has revealed that air pollution from wildfires causes millions of deaths annually? Correct answer is option 4, Australian researchers. Question number 47. What is the name of the exercise conducted between India and Singapore? Correct answer is option 1, Agni Warrior. Question number 48. Which country has launched its first Type 076 amphibious assault ship named Sichuan? Correct answer is option 2, China. Question number 49. What is the name of the mission launched by the Indian government to enhance the self-sufficiency and water security of Indian cities? Correct answer is option 1, Amrit 2.0. Question number 50. Which organization has released a report highlighting the importance of protecting human rights to end AIDS by 2030? Correct answer is option 1, UN AIDS.